tenants love the conveniences that our professional property management provides. Reader Asset Management website allows you to view and schedule a showing of all our vacant properties. Our website also allows our tenants to pay their rent and submit maintenance requests, all online. Check out this available property located at 245 North, 100 East, number 1 in Logan. This quaint little home offers 1 bedroom and 1 bath. It is pet friendly and comes equipped with a washer and dryer, an open layout floor plan, hardwood floors in the living room and kitchen, and another bonus is the location. This gem is conveniently located in downtown Logan, close to USU's campus, shopping, and restaurants. So go to our website, readerproperties.com, to schedule your showing today. You can see a list of all our available properties on our website at readerproperties.com.